So in this video, I'm gonna explain you what are the comments in Python and why we use this Python. What is the necessity of using these comments in Python? Okay. So this stuff I'm gonna explain in this video. Okay. So for that, I am using this VS Code. So here only I'll explain and I'll also do the practical. Okay. So Python comments usually used to explain the Python code. Okay. See. So it is used to explain the Python code, okay, and also to make the code more readable, okay. So these are the two reasons why we use this Python comments, okay. So Python comments are basically used to explain Python code, okay. So to explain the Python code and to make to make to make the code more readable. So that we can read the code more efficient manner, okay. See, we have types. So how many types of comments we have means, so we have two types. The first one is single line comments, and second one is multi line comments, okay. See, we have two types of comments. So the first one is single line comments and the second one is multi line comments, okay. See how we'll use the single line comments in our code, okay. So as you can see, these are all the single line comments, okay, single line comments, okay. So single line comments can be used by this hash, okay. So we can say these are all the single line comments, okay. See, I'll give an example. See, so forget about this, okay. Till here, forget about it. So I've started. I'm starting implementation from here. See, this is a comment. This is a single line comment, okay. So below that I'm printing something, okay. Print, my goodness. Hmm, hello world, okay. So if I run this program, so hello world has been printed successfully on the terminal, right? So as you can see, so interpreted, so okay, interpreter, okay. So if comes to C and Java, compiler will compile the code. If comes to Python, interpreter will check all the lines, okay. So interpreter will execute lines line by line, okay. So for comments, interpreter won't execute the lines which have started with these comments, okay. So we have all these comments, right? So these are the single line comments. So for all the single line comments, so interpreter won't execute those lines, okay. So this is a single line comment, okay. So this is a single line comment. So now in order to specify multi-line comments, we require to use uh, triple double triple quotations. Now this has been considered as multi-line comments, as you can see. So these are in three lines, right? So one line, this is one line, this is in second line, this is in second line, right? So for multi-line comments will be using in this manner, okay. We need to specify double triple quotation and we need to enclose with the same, okay, double triple quotation. And if I print something, if I print something, it is also been successfully printed. So as you can see, only only these two lines been printing out in on the onto the terminal, right? So as you can see, it is also not been printed. So whatever we have written, here also it is also not been printed, right? So this is a main use of this comments, okay. So this is a small project. So for the larger project, so if you are implementing if you are writing the code for the larger project, means we need to write some code. Okay, so like some comments, we need to add some comments to understand, okay, to understand the lines, okay, what the stuff is actually happening. See, for example, if I'm writing the code means, so okay, so the other person may not understand my code whatever I have written, right? So if I add the comments, so if I add the comments, what I'm actually doing, if I add the comment, that person also can also easily understandable. That is what this second line says, okay, to make the code more readable. Okay, this is all about the comments. Okay, so if you like my video, like it and do subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.